Today we're looking at perpendicular bisectors, and as the name describes, a perpendicular bisector is a line which cuts through the midpoint of a line segment at right angles. So this line CD, you can see it's perpendicular to AB, and also it's cutting it exactly in half. Every triangle will have three perpendicular bisectors which do all meet at one point. We'll discuss that later. What we need to look at is the process for finding the equation of a perpendicular bisector. So if I'm given 2 points A minus 2, 2 and B 4, 8, and I'm asked to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB, which in the case in our picture is CD. Here's the steps that I'm going to take. First of all, I'm going to calculate the midpoint of AB using the midpoint formula. So it's going to be negative 2 plus 4 over 2 and 2 plus 8 over 2, which is 1, 5. Now what we've calculated here is the point here where CD crosses AB. So I have a point on my line, the perpendicular bisector. Remember, when we're trying to find the equation of the line, we need a point, any point on the line, and the gradient. Now, because I only have one point, I can't calculate the gradient of this line, but I do know that it's perpendicular to line AB. Therefore, I can calculate the gradient of AB and use my perpendicular rule to calculate the gradient of CD. So the second step is I'm going to calculate the gradient of AB. So the gradient of AB will be 8 minus 2 over 4 minus 2, which is 6 over 6, which is 1. So I'm going to calculate the perpendicular gradient. Because m1 times m2 is negative 1, therefore the gradient of CD must be minus 1. Now I have a point on my line and a gradient for my line, so I can start to calculate the equation of the line, which is actually what I'm after. Final step is to find the equation of the line. So I'm going to use y minus b equals mx minus a. I'm going to use my gradient of negative 1. A is going to be 1 and b is going to be 5. I'm going to have y minus 5 equals negative 1 x minus 1. Y minus 5 equals negative x plus 1. I have effectively got the equation of the line here, but I'm going to tidy it up a little by moving everything to the other side. So I'm going to end up with x plus y minus 6 equals 0. And that is the equation of CD.